Hi, I'm Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your carnations open up quickly. So when you get your carnations from us, they're closed bud, and that's because they're super fresh, so we send them to you with the bud closed. But if your wedding is coming up soon and you need to open them, I'm going to show you guys a little trick here. So you can see with this guy here, this is a couple days old, but it's still not quite open. So here you can see this greenery, and this is what's actually holding the petals in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that petal down and actually rip it. Don't worry, this will not shorten the lifespan for your wedding. So you're gonna do this when you're arranging them, and I'm pulling every second one down. And that just gives the petals the space to actually open up, and then I can take my fingers and actually see now without the green holding them in, they actually can open up really fully. Give them a little bit of a twirl, a little bit of a blow, and now look at this guy. Look how much more open he is compared to before. Make sure you don't remove all of that greenery, else there's nothing to hold the bloom petals in, but that's all you do to get your carnations to be forced open, and that way they're nice and big and full. Thanks for watching, everybody, and let me know if you have any questions.